The BOQ app provides an overview of all quantities related to a contract and is available for both clients and contractors. Clients can also access it under the BOQ tab in each contract. It is essential to ensure that the project has a connected contract before importing quantities. Relevant contract elements, such as the original contract or a price offer, must also be in place, as BOQs are linked to these elements. In the overview, each quantity is color-coded to indicate its status, and it includes a name or process code, title, the associated contract and contract element, various processing steps, linked VBS elements, quantity details, and unit price. BOQ actuals display the verified and rejected quantities of completed work, updated based on client review. Clients can perform multiple tasks using the Action dropdown. They can import new BOQs in XML format by linking them to an element and importing the corresponding quote, which then appears in the contract quantity overview. The BOQ Import app enables clients to download templates, import data from Excel, and then transfer selected BOQs to the overview. Clients can also import invoiced quantities by uploading a file to the selected contract element. Additionally, if linked to a VBS element, clients can update the VBS actual progress to refine forecasts and track costs. Contractors use the app to report BOQs to the client, either by creating a BOQ actual individually or through the batch register. Link the BOQ to a contract element. The Bill of Quantities can be imported using either Omega 365's import template or an XML file. Select the relevant quantities. Fill in the necessary information and submit it for approval. Once submitted, the batch status and remaining steps are displayed in the batch register. The client must then verify or reject the reported quantities in the batch register before they appear in the BOQ overview. Note that if any line is rejected, the client must provide a comment, which is sent back to the contractor for necessary adjustments. After verification or rejection, the overview is updated to reflect the percentage of completed quantities, any changes in the reported quantities, and the most recent BOQ actuals. Information about verified or rejected quantities is also updated under BOQ actuals. To learn more about Omega 365, go to academy.omega365.com.